What's up, everybody? It's your boy Benny here at STP Diesel, and I got a little update for you guys for those 6.0 Powerstroke lovers out there. We have this F350 dually in the back work truck that came in for a hot no start, and we did some diagnostics on it and found out that it had a high pressure oil leak. We tore it apart. This is what we found. These standpipes, now these are new, these are from Ford. They were done not too long ago, and you can see already that the O-ring is split right there. That right there is the leading cause of his concern. But you know, I've never seen them with these stamps on them coming from Ford. It doesn't look very good to me. So I ended up calling our good friends at Diesel Site, and they helped us out with their kit here. You can see this standpipe regulator here, double O-ring there, and overall, man, it just looks a way better product than what came from Ford. Even the standpipe here, man, it even feels heavier, feels thicker. Pretty cool. I'm pretty excited to start offering that kit to our you know me, I'm always a little with aftermarket parts, but when the OEM just isn't working, man, we have to start looking elsewhere. And luckily we found that company there. Well, we've dealt with Diesel Site quite a bit, but I didn't know that they had that product. Now that we do, I feel excited to start offering it to all of our clients here that come in with that type of concern. So if you have a 6-liter and you want to be productive with your truck and not wait till it's too late, and you want to get set up with some of those dummy plugs, oil rail plugs for your truck, feel free to get with us. If y'all have any questions, any concerns, hit us up on social media or give us a call at the office. We're always willing to chat. Thank you guys. Stay blessed.